How to delete a YouTube Shorts from your channel. Hello everyone, and in this video I will tell you how easy and simple it is to remove the short video from your channel in the application YouTube. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the YouTube application and go to your profile by clicking on the window in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down slightly. Click on the line Your Videos, and from this list of your videos, select Filter Shorts at the top of the screen. And here you can see all the shorts that you've put on your channel. And now, all you have to do is choose the shorts you want and just click on the 3 points right next to the name short. And then click on the line at the very bottom, Delete. And on that all. Now you know how easy it is to delete a short video from your channel in the application YouTube. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.